Okay, today we have got a big piece of paper, some glue, lots and lots of beautiful bits of vegetation, and we're going to make a giant picture. And that artwork is looking really nice, actually.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you like about this session?
I like watching.
We've used up most of this paint, which was just dirt and water. And we've used up a lot of that glue over there, which is cornflour and vinegar and various things.